Bean holders receive passive rewards from every transaction, and these rewards are currently paid out in the form of USDC. The community can change the rewards token that they receive by a vote via their DAO. My name is Rico Richardson, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about Moonbeans. Before we dive deep into Moonbeans and what it's about, let me first give you a quick explanation on Moonriver and Moonbeam and then tell you something about what NFTs are. In June 2021, Moonriver first launched as a parachain on the Kusama network. Moonriver is a sister network of Moonbeam and provides an environment to test new code under real economic conditions. Developers now have access to start experimenting and building on an incentivized canary network connected to Kusama. New code will ship to Moonriver first, where it can be tested and verified under real economic conditions. Once it's proven, the same code will ship to Moonbeam on Polkadot. And Moonbeam is a developer-oriented blockchain that strives to provide compatibility with the existing Ethereum developer toolchain and network. It does this by providing a full EVM implementation, a Web3 compatible API, and bridges that connect Moonbeam to existing Ethereum networks. This allows developers to deploy existing Solidity smart contracts and dApp frontends to Moonbeam with minimal changes. Right. So now that we've got a basic understanding of Moonbeam and Moonriver, let's have a look at Moonbeans. A place where artists, creators and crypto enthusiasts come together on a single platform to create and trade top NFTs on Moonriver. That's what the Moonbeans NFT marketplace is about. Its platform features the ability for clients to mint, purchase and bid on a number of NFT collections, which is done on the Moonriver network. And with the benefit of having low gas fees rather than the tremendous amounts you have to pay on Ethereum. 1/3 of the marketplace profits goes back directly to Beanie holders, while another 1/3 goes to Bean holders. It's all automated and you're entitled to 0.002% for each Beanie that you hold. Now, NFTs are non-fungible tokens, and fungibility refers to items that are replaceable for the exact same item, which means that non-fungible tokens cannot be replaced. There's only one of them. Think of an original Van Gogh or a one-of-a-kind legendary Pokemon card. NFTs are the one-of-a-kind assets in the digital world. Examples are CryptoPunks, Soul Bears, Pixel Dudes and so on. And the digital tokens can be thought of as certificates of ownership for virtual assets such as in-app items and digital art, or physical assets such as real-life paintings and even houses. So in short, they are verifiable proofs of authenticity and ownership within a blockchain network and are not interchangeable with each other, which introduces scarcity into the digital world. And Beans has a fixed supply of 1 million and can never be minted. The initial 100k stored by the treasury has been used for cross-chain liquidity, which means that all Beans are now in circulation. And it uses a tax mechanism of 5% in which 2% goes into rewards, 2% is used for liquidity injection and 1% for marketing, of which this video isn't part of because this video is not sponsored nor gives me any tokens, which it should, but that's a different story. Then there's Moon Seeds, which are the canary token of Moonbeans and the successor of Baby Beans, which I won't go into detail about in this video, but rather than that, I'll make sure to put a link in the description where you can read up on it. And since we're taking a small break now anyways, please know that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are not meant to be financial advice, but are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Never invest money you cannot afford to miss, because there is nothing as volatile as crypto. There are 5 types of Beanie NFTs, which are Miami, Small, Caddy, Gear and Loki. And these NFTs offer passive income to you as a holder as well, by allowing you to earn profit sharing off of the buying and selling of NFT collections on the Moonbeans Galactic Trading Co. There's a minimum fee of 5% for the sale of all collections on the Galactic Trading Co. marketplace. And the breakdown of these rewards to the Beanie holder is that 1% goes to the Beanie holders, 1% to the Moonbeans holders, 1% goes to the developer fund and 2% to the collection owner. And of the 462 total Beanies, 5 of them are owned by the team. but there's only 462 in existence. And what might be good to know is that the rewards are being paid out in Moonriver tokens, which have the ticker of Mover. Beanie rewards also need to be claimed manually. And if we look at this overview of the Moonbeans marketplace, we see that the beanies currently have a floor price of 19.5 Mover, which comes down to roughly around $1,000. And if we click on one, we will see information like the overall rarity with all the items and attributes of your beanie that determines the rarity of it, but also the listing history. So in this example, we can see that this gentleman wasn't able to make up his mind because it kept getting listed and delisted and with different prices. It also shows who the owner is, which allows you to check how many beanies someone holds and the value breakdown of his portfolio using the floor price. So the NFTs can be purchased on the website where you can search collections but also check and see the recent trades and 24-hour trading volume on Moonbeans. Now the Moonbeams token can be bought on SolarBeam, Huckleberry Finn, SushiSwap and BeamSwap. And by the way, did you know that I made a dedicated video on Huckleberry Finn and BeamSwap? I'll be sure to link them at the end of this video in the description as well for you to check it out. Now Huckleberry Finn is actually my most favorite DEX on the Moonriver network because I'm a big fan of the systematics of Tom and Finn. So be sure to have a look and see if it's something of your interest. Now usually I talk about the team and roadmap in my videos, but let me show you a quick overview of their team. Here it is. They're not doxed and use funky names. So other than a link to Telegram and Twitter, there is nothing to know about them. So if that's important for you, then this project isn't for you. Their roadmap consists of 3 phases, and the first phase is called Sow and Growth, and with things like the launch of the website and other stuff that have already happened. Phase 2 is Nurture and Propagation, developing partnerships, automate listings and NFT and token staking for instance. And then in phase 3, which is called Rooting and Establishment, they want to do things like Moonbeam compatibility, marketing campaigns and put educational documents on their website. Right now they are working on phase 2, as you can see by these green and yellow dots. Green is done and yellow is on the way. Right, so if you're enthusiastic about this project and want to immerse yourself completely with it, know that you can find them on Telegram, Twitter, Discord, Subsocial, never heard of it, Medium, and you'll also be able to check the contract on the Moonriver Moonscan. They also have a GitHub for the tech-savvy people among us, but I'm not one of them, so go and enjoy that too if you are. Now, if you like everything related to crypto, please subscribe to my channel and watch that playlist over there. For now, my name is Rico Richardson, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Doei!